this is the I Am Cat. It's literally just I Am Cat. So yeah. So we're playing oh geez. So we're playing I Am Cat. Avatar right here. Don't know if I'm gonna play this. Probably am. I don't know. This. Don't want other people in the video. Granny's house, garage, street, or butcher store. I think house. No, this hurts. God. Oh my God. Wee. I'm already causing mayhem. No, you sure? Ay. Oh, same thing. That's great.
真的是，你要给黄这方面。
Can't catch me, Granny. Look. Fancy. Oh. Ooh. Why is Granny on the TV all of a sudden? Hey, no TV! No TV! No, I turned it off.
Come on!
Are you addicted or something, Granny? I enjoy me. Don't enjoy full tone. Code. Give me these things. I can remind this. Oh, I can break it. God, this is... Oh. I thought I had to take my headset off for a sec because my eyes are starting to hurt. Oh, I forgot about the intro. Just noticed. Red cat. Get out. Ow. 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 Ooh, secret. Car bash. Car smash. Imagine just seeing that. Flip it. Nope, not that try. Nope. Absolutely not. Nope, still. Can I just land it? Please let me just land this. How did I land that? Whee! Grammy! I fell from the second story and uniform. Oh, she was on TV. Granny lost her voice. I got her down. Oh, she's back. Boom. You're never gonna catch me in my loop. You wanna go back in the water? Yep. Okay. Come on. Let's get you back into your tank. I know you're dying, because my grandma is dumb and she put you there. Swim! There's your voice. Go! Come on! I don't want to need to grab you out. Why are you still dying? You're trying to... Let's try to catch another fish, because who are you living? Come on, fatties. Got him! Yes! Fish acquired. I'm letting that other one live. Meanwhile, they're gonna die. Let's just... Kill you. Okay, we're gonna add in some veggies with you too. I don't understand how crab bends down like that. Nisho. There we go. Potato. Cook potato lightly. Grab knife and cut potato. What your knife will do. Cook this on me, please. The biggest. They're both perfectly cooked. And you know what? Most fishes. Because they put them on. I'm just gonna let them cook. Nice. We have a perfect meal right here. These are freshly cut. This one. And this one's for me. So let's go put this in my bowl, which I unfortunately threw. I will eat you later, fish. I shall kill you. Not now, because you are being a good boy. Right now, you shall be covered. Okay. Oh, I overcooked it. I overcooked it. Oh, we have another small piece. This isn't that nice. Cooking you. Perfect. Perfect! Okay, next up, I think Grandma would like some cucumber. Get it a nice little roast. Cut it up. Bottom side down. It gives that. You done?
I'm ready. I'm going in.
Hey, Grandma. Hey. You want to try something? You want to try? Try this. You made me drop it. Okay, put me down. Where did it drop? It went to the backwards. Okay, Grammy. Eat it. Grandma.
Sẽ phong hoàng như thế.
Uppy. Drop it. Oh, she liked it. Don't eat my own food. Never. Don't try this at home. Do not try this at home. Hey, Grandma. I got quite the snack for you. I got quite the snack. Grandma, I got quite the snack. What are you doing? Oh my God, Grandma. I broke Grandma. Keep it.
Where's that rascal? You've got to.
I didn't know that Grandma was that fragile. Anyways, where did that go? Ugh, I'm not eating that. I just want to cook. I just want to cook. I just want to cook.
Okay, fine, do for me.
Hey, bro, you want tomato? Starter hand roast, that's what I call it. Knife! How'd you get over here? This might be okay, that preheat made the seeds nice. We're not at full. That's full. Okay, now we have to feed that rabbit that's in my toilet first. I think the rabbit said it likes it. Makes it half toasted like this. Okay, I guess this is half toasted. Instead he wanted it cut, so go give it to him. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah, it lives back here. Here, eat it. That's the end for today's video, I guess.